Nigerians are beg and won't ask for forgiveness because of that G-wagon issue. Because everywhere when I go now, people they mock me and they not really know what happen for that G-wagon issue. The one that they see that OGB, not be so that guy be. That guy na black Jesus, na hypocrite that guy be. And this thing, if care is not taken, now this go expose the secret of OGB. This guy deceived me come Lagos. Many of them when they mock me, say they live fake life, you go they claim G-wagon will not be your own. When I not really know what happen, that OGB na black Jesus he be. And before this issue go finish, I go pour spit for that guy face. You know go expect say if you they look down on me, you know go expect okay now person like me go later expose him. You know understand? This guy deceived me come Lagos. Since my mama born me, I never made this guy financial mistake for my life before. It can't be like say I'm a foolish person to trust you OGB. Because me I look and say since I see public figure, you go dey very transparent for this issue. I don't know since that guy be, and if guys not take what they tell you now, I go expose your secret. You know understand? This guy deceived me come Lagos. Tell me say okay, the G-wagon, he won't sell am. And you know say a public person now, you don't want to do something will be say okay, at least make it everybody know say he won't sell the G-wagon. Because that G-wagon they give a problem according to waiter they know, I not even know before. He not tell me all these things before. He can't tell me so okay, they pay small. See, I complete the money. I go say okay, no wahala. I can make deposit of 2 million naira, of which I will still show the receipt for this video. I make deposit of 2 million naira. We still sign an agreement. He asked me say okay, like in a month how much I feel pay? I go say okay, before a month they go finish, I feel they pay like 5 million naira. In a month I feel pay 5 million. Because okay, no wahala. Only money when I burn for fuel. Only that week when they carry that G-wagon for me. Nothing no say okay, this thing not be play. Not be play. And I wait as he say enough they maintain the car again. And he won't use me. I mean you won't use OGB. No, you go regret your life. Now, it be like say the reason why they come out to come make this video now to clear myself and also Nigeria because this thing pass my power because OGB won't use the influence and power to oppress me. And I'm not going to take that nonsense from her. I'm not going to take that nonsense from her because I'm not going to feed this life. Will be say OGB won't call use me. Sure? I beg. I not get anybody. But I will make sure say I will do everything within my power to claim that G-wagon from OGB because you not get any IP, you not go feel use me. I'm a financial expert. And no matter how this life be, come break, come sun. Before God and man, I swear with my life, I will take that G-wagon back from you. This guy deceived me. The way many of them they see that OGB, not be so it be. And again, many things will be say I won't talk about, I will be say many of them not know before. And at this you go prove, so they give her the privilege now. Make you do things the way they're supposed to be.